The Mate 70 Pro features a sleek and premium design with a ceramic body that feels both durable and luxurious. The phone has a nearly bezel-less display with a waterfall curve on both edges, giving it a futuristic look. Despite its large screen size, the phone is comfortable to hold thanks to its carefully contoured edges. The device sports a 6.9-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1316 by 2832 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The display is bright, with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, and supports HDR10+. The adaptive refresh rate technology adjusts the refresh rate to conserve battery life. At the heart of the Mate 70 Pro is Huawei's new Kirin 9020 chipset, which ensures powerful performance and efficient multitasking. The phone comes with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, making it suitable for both productivity and entertainment. The octa-core processor and Adreno 750 GPU make it a powerhouse for demanding applications. The camera setup on the Mate 70 Pro is impressive. It includes a triple camera array on the back, a 50-megapixel wide-angle main camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto periscope lens, and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The phone supports 4K video recording and offers various shooting modes, including HDR and continuous shooting. The Mate 70 Pro delivers impressive image quality across various lighting conditions. The main camera captures vibrant colors and sharp details, making it great for everyday photography. The telephoto lens performs well in portrait mode. The Mate 70 Pro is equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery, supporting 100-watt fast-wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. The fast charging capabilities ensure that the phone can be quickly topped up, making it convenient for users on the go. The phone runs on HarmonyOS 4.0, which offers a smooth and user-friendly experience. It includes features like an in-display fingerprint sensor and 3D face unlock for enhanced security. Overall, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro is a high-end smartphone that offers excellent performance, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system. Its fast charging capabilities and premium build quality make it a strong contender in the flagship segment. However, the lack of Google services and limited availability in certain regions might be a drawback for some users.